Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video I'm doing some finishing touches on my 600cc Crosskart and taking it out for a drive. So with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Oh, it cranks. Let's pour some fuel in this baby. Fuel pump seems to be working. I did have to extend the line, and let's give it a Alright, so this is pretty much all I have to do before I can test drive it. And then after the test drive, I'm sure this list will get longer because that's what test drives are for. The temp is going down. The fan does work. Alright, so I got the rear brake installed. Now, let's go ahead and load this thing up. Alright guys, so I made it here to the property. It's a very special moment. I actually get to test drive the Crosskart for like the first time in a year. Give it like a little road test, and hopefully all goes good.
How's that suspension feel?
It feels good. I don't know, it felt really good, so I got into it. Alright guys, gotta see how big this hole in the block is. Oh snap. Do you see that?
I don't know if I can see that on camera, but
Is that the actual transmission? Where did the piece go though?
There's a piece right here. It could be out on the road somewhere, or it's in... Or it's
Dang,
actually
I wonder
in
where
there.
the piece went. Yeah, guys, I don't really know that much about these engines. This is definitely like miles complicated than what I usually work on. Basically, why this happened is the power of the engine actually pulled the pillow blocks and just messed up the alignment. So should have maybe added tensioners. Very anticlimactic. It felt really good, so I hit it, and we ended up getting a piece of chain going into the block. I thought I could just tighten the crap out of them, but yeah, we're gonna have to rebuild all this, make it beefier, and also I think the actual hole in the block is connected to the crankcase, so there's a chance it could have trashed our bottom end. I don't think so, but like if I had that piece of the block on me, I could just JB weld it on the engine. But I think we might have to pull this whole engine out, which is definitely not an easy task. Guys, I really apologize for that, but this whole thing is gonna really set me back a few weeks. I had some actually cool stuff planned. Yeah, guys, leave a like. Hopefully I can earn some good money to replace that case half, because they're pretty expensive. So I have to catch you guys in the next video. Alright guys, on a good note, I want to fix this as soon as possible, so it's literally the same day. I'm going to pull the engine out, pull an all-nighter probably, try to find that piece of aluminum or magnesium or whatever, and either weld it in or JB weld it in. Honestly, I should have seen it coming. I had the same issue just messing with it in my garage, but I thought I'd just get those bolts on really snug and it wouldn't be a problem. I'm going to beef this up after I fix all this stuff. With the end of the year being here, I want to try to end it off strong, so I'm gonna bring you guys weekly uploads, sometimes even more. So yeah,